Why Axure is still the best prototyping tool. Prototyping has become an essential step in the product development process. It allows designers to bring their ideas to life, test interactions, and gather valuable feedback before investing time and resources into development. While there are numerous prototyping tools available today, one tool that has stood the test of time and remains a top choice for many designers is Axure. We will explore why Axure is still the best pick for prototyping and how it continues to excel in an ever-evolving design landscape. Powerful and versatile. Axure is renowned for its powerful and versatile features that enable designers to create highly interactive and dynamic prototypes. With Axure, designers can easily simulate complex interactions, animations, and transitions, providing stakeholders and users with a realistic experience of the final product. Its extensive widget library and drag-and-drop functionality make it easy to create interactive elements, saving designers valuable time and effort. Robust documentation and support. Axure provides comprehensive documentation and support, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. The official Axure RP website offers detailed guides, tutorials, and examples that cover various aspects of the software. Additionally, the Axure RP forum serves as a vibrant community where users can seek assistance, share knowledge, and discuss best practices. This robust support system ensures that designers can quickly overcome challenges and make the most of Axure's capabilities. Collaboration and iteration. Effective collaboration is crucial in the design process, and Axure excels in this aspect. It allows designers to easily share prototypes with team members and stakeholders, facilitating feedback and iteration. Axure's cloud-based collaboration features enable real-time collaboration, making it seamless for teams to work together, regardless of their physical location. This collaborative approach fosters better communication, alignment, and ultimately, superior design outcomes. User testing capabilities. User testing is a vital component of the UX design process, and Axure offers robust features to facilitate this crucial step. With Axure, designers can conduct usability tests, gather user feedback, and analyze user behavior within the prototype. This valuable data helps designers identify pain points, validate design decisions, and make informed improvements. Axure's user testing capabilities empower designers to create user-centered designs that meet the needs and expectations of their target audience. Integration with design workflow. Axure seamlessly integrates with popular design tools, such as Sketch and Adobe XD, allowing designers to leverage their existing design assets. This integration streamlines the design workflow, enabling designers to import design files directly into Axure and transform them into interactive prototypes. This integration not only saves time but also ensures consistency between the design and prototype, resulting in a more cohesive user experience. As the demand for seamless user experiences continues to grow, Axure empowers designers to create interactive and dynamic prototypes that bridge the gap between imagination and reality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, Axure remains a valuable tool in your prototyping arsenal, helping you bring your design visions to life and deliver exceptional user experiences.